This right here is a $1,000 prop firm trading account that you can use to trade and also withdraw your profits. We're not making use of MetaTrader 4 or MetaTrader 5. We're going to be trading right here in the site. So make sure you watch till the end of this video so you don't miss any step. And you can get your own $1,000 account without stress. And the link to claiming this bonus is going to be in the description below. So just click on the link, join my Telegram channel. You are going to find the link right there. 76% of you who watch my videos haven't subscribed yet. Please, what are you waiting for? Do well to subscribe to this channel if you know that you are enjoying my content on Forex no deposit bonuses. Please just take a second to subscribe, like my videos, like this particular video so that YouTube can push it to more people and they can also benefit from these videos. Okay, so like my videos, comment the country where you're watching from so that I can keep making videos for your country. Turn on the notification bell to get more updates. Okay, so please make sure you subscribe to this channel, comment, like, share my videos, okay, so that more people can benefit from it. Okay, so let's go into the video.
All we do is take a little risk and make plenty of money. That's all we do. Are you prepared to take a little risk?
Okay, so the first thing that we need to do is to click on zero fee. Yes, so once you click on zero fee, it's going to bring you over to this interface where you are to sign up. So you're going to be inputting your first name, your last name, your date of birth, your country, and the rest, okay, your email. So let's do that right now. Okay, so as you can see, I'm filling in my details, my first name, my last name, my phone number, my date of birth, my country. Make sure your details are correct. Okay, then my country and my email. So once I'm done doing that, I'll click on submit application. So you can see it right here. So after that, you're going to complete your KYC. So you click on submit KYC. So you're going to be uploading your document, which is your card and your bank statement. So after that, you click on submit information. So you can see it's sign up successful. Okay, so you're just going to input your details. So you can see my profile has been successfully updated. So you're going to go over to the dashboard and click on prop trading, then get challenge. So you can see we have to pay $25, but we're going to be getting it for free. We're not making any payment. So you're going to go back, then click on funded. Okay, so you can see it right here. So you just click on traders agreement. Yes, so this is it right here. You're just going to scroll down, then you're going to be inputting your name and your last name. Okay, so once you do that, you click on submit. You're going to agree to the traders agreement and click on submit. Okay, yes, so once you click on submit, you're going to see this download the CRM, but we're not interested in that. We're not downloading anything for now. So after that, we're just going to head on to our email where we're going to be finding our login details and the rules. We're going to be logging into the platform. Okay, so quickly, so you can see my Telegram channel right here. So just do well to join my Telegram channel because this is where I share daily updates. So now listen to me. For you to pass this challenge prop account, so there are rules that you must follow, and the rules are very simple. So you have to reach the 8% profit target without exceeding the 4% static drawdown limit. Okay, so what is 4% drawdown limit? It means that what you must not lose more than 4% of the account. Okay, and 4% of $1,000 is about $40. So it means you must not lose 40%. Okay, so you can also see my login details right here. I have my login ID and my password. So you're just going to click here, this place that they put platform link. Okay, so you're going to click on it. Yes, so once you click on it, it's going to bring you over to this interface where you are to download using your desktop or your Android Okay, so you can make use of your Android if you want, but for me, I'm going to be making use of the site. Okay, so I'm going to be logging in. Yes, so I'm going to be signing in. I'll be inputting my login ID and my password. So after doing that, I'll just click on sign up. Okay, so this platform is so much similar to One Royal platform, and we made lots of withdrawal from One Royal. So as you can see, I've gotten the $1,000 prop firm account. Yes, it's as simple as that. It's just very, very similar to One Royal. So those that log into One Royal will understand. It's very, very simple, very similar to One Royal. Okay, so you can see that I've gotten it, and you can place trades on it. Yes, so you can place trade on it. You can see the buy section, then the sell section. Okay, so just do well to claim this bonus, and if you know you got it, just comment under the comment section that you got it. Okay, and comment the country where you are watching from. Okay, so thanks for watching. Keep learning, keep earning. Peace out.